too. What are a few other options of franchises that do well in all different economies, all different areas, but maybe after a natural disaster? So one that I think is huge is junk removal. Everybody has extra stuff that's been ruined and we don't know. The trash doesn't always pick up. So any type of grills and refrigerators and, furniture and debris, junk removal, huge industry. Window cleaning. I can attest to this one. I could not see out my office windows after the storm. That's how dirty it was with the hurricane and the water and the rain and the dirt and the wind. Window cleaning businesses, homes always need to have clean windows. Signs, huge. Every business I've seen, I would tell you about 50% of them here in Sarasota have lost their signs. They're shredded, they're ripped. They're all going to need new signs. Those businesses are going to do well this year. Tree trimming and removal. We all have trees that are down, that are broken, that need to be removed. Most of us don't climb up in trees and cut these things down. So you need a company, you need an arborist, you need to make sure it's done the right way in the safe way. Gutters, drywall repair and replacement, all the things that people are losing in their homes. Painting, flooring, these services are always things that are going to need to be redone. And that's just on a day-to-day basis. HVAC, plumbing, these are all the heroes. These are the things that we need right now and will continue to need for repair and removal. And the last one is mental health counseling. If you go through a flood, a hurricane, tornadoes, any kind of natural disaster that wreaks havoc on your system, you're facing tragedy, and people just need someone to help them through that. A lot of people get PTSD as they go through this. So mental health counseling is a great, great business that will always have a need. So those are a few picks of recession resistant, any economy, and also, post-hurricane, great franchise concepts.